Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. This is Random Reviews episode 100. That is a lot of stuff to review. We finally made it. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but you might be able to already tell something has changed. There's a reason it's been so long, and that is because I completely redid my studio. And that alludes to the product that I reviewed today. It was a studio kit that came with some good studio lights, a backdrop holder, 3 different backdrops, including a green screen. All really good stuff. I already clearly opened it up already and checked it out, so I got a really good idea of the quality. I'll go ahead and show everything to you guys, everything that it came with, and you can decide for yourself whether you want it. I definitely think it's worth it, so let's get started. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little random reviews episode 100. I hope you enjoyed the studio kit. It's definitely going to improve my videos quite a bit. There's a few things that I still want to do. I want to get an overhead camera to have a good overhead shot of products that I review. Still a few other things. Need to get a table as well, but we'll get there. Stay tuned. Hit the subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. If you want to check out the playlist, it's right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and as always, don't get shy.